to all. In today's quick learning, we will go through line chart and small portion of the bar chart. Here we have set of data having product ID, product, months, then unit sold, rate, sales, discount, and the another table having month, electronic, and goods, home goods. So there are two categories. Generally, we create a line chart when we have data in a form of series, like mostly in a form of trend from Jan to December or for dates. When we have huge number of data in a trend line, for that to display that trend line, we will be going for line chart. And when we have data as per the category, then we will be going for the bar chart. So let's create a line chart for 2025 year, month sale, and the unit sold and month. So for that you will go to insert chart. We will go with the line chart. Under line chart we will be having three options: 2D line chart, 3D line chart, then another one 2D area line chart and 3D area line chart. So 2D line chart looks normal line chart. How does it displayed as like this? And if we go again insert another one, if we click here, you can see this one is stack line chart. Same stack line chart, it will be under stack. Show the how the whole chart change over time. 100% stack chart. Then this one is line with marker. It will show you the dotted area. Just click on this. Change the chart type as chart with marker. Line chart with marker. This one. Okay. So this one has the marker points. Here we can see the marker points. And to add the data elements for this, you can click under this plus option. Wherever you click the chart option, you will getting this filter option on automatically. Click under this chart elements and go for data labels. Here we can see axis. If you don't want to show the x and y axis, it will make this chart size bit larger, and it will remove the axis. If you want to show the axis, then you can select that. Then axis title. Under x-axis you can categorize, like x-axis is for, say we are using for units. So you can write here units sold like this. And y-axis, if you want to keep the x-axis, then you can add that x-axis. Under axis, same. If you want to keep certain axis, not the word, I want to keep the horizontal primary vertical, I want to remove that. If you want to remove that, then you can do like this. And to highlight this marker points, you can add the data labels. Under this we can see data labels. You can highlight the units under this. If you want to show this unit at the bottom below, then you can move this units below, center like this, left and above. You can change it. So in this way also we can toggle it and we can make changes as per the criteria which we needed. And legends, every chart has the legends. If you want to add show the legend, then you can add that. And trend line, if you want to add the trend line, then you can show that trend line. Under trend line also you can have different trend lines like exponential, linear, forecast and all, so you can go for that. Up and down arrow key, so you can explore this option and you can create a simple line chart. Now coming to this line chart, let's create one more line chart using same months and go for discount percentage. Okay, same, you will go to insert line chart. Under this line chart we can have option as 3D line chart. If we select this, line will look as 3D. Let me just zoom this. It line is there, but this will go as a 3D pattern. Same, you can go for another line chart. Let's delete this. Insert. We have area line chart. So how does area line chart? 2D area line chart. This is a line chart, but 2D area, and let me explain you 2D area and what. This is the for discount. Okay, Let's create one more chart using this selection. Insert chart, 2D line chart. This is the same 2D line chart. This is for discount. Okay, for discount. This is with the 2D line chart and this is the area line chart. So whatever the area below the line, that area will get highlight or colored. So that's called the area chart. Let's create the area chart for this. Okay, this chart we have. I'm just selecting this options both like month and units sold. You will go to insert line chart and then area chart. So you can see area chart. If we go for stack area chart, it will create the color area but at the same level, like it will equalize all the level. It will highlight the only level and it will do the color to the top part. But now we will go for this insert, then same 2D area chart. So 2D area chart is same as your 2D line chart, but it will highlight the area below the line chart. And the last one is 3D area chart. If you want to change it, let's create one more chart using same insert line chart and 3D area chart. This will also give you same result, but it will highlight the 3D pattern. Color will be same, like below the line, it will highlight that area. Now, with this category, you can go for a simple bar chart. Why bar chart? Because we have category wise data. So you can create a bar chart for this. Okay, like this, you can categorize your data using bar chart. We will be exploring further option in charts in the next session. Thank you for watching.